Well, that sounds pretty good. So what happened there? I remember talking about this. This is talking about Bollinger Band and how that it was like it was a tightening of the Bollinger Band, right? Like it was a squeeze, and when you squeeze it enough, it causes an explosion, all right? And I remember talking about it before, and there wasn't a lot happening until boom, we started going upwards, right? So we're seeing that right now. Like we're after we broke upwards, it's been basically Bollinger Bands just measures like volatility. And our volatility so far has been almost non-existent since we've got into the 90s, right? And now into the 100. Like we had basically no dips at all, right? Before, you guys remember, in the 60s and a little bit in the 70s, we had some massive dips. Remember going from like 70 down to like 50,000? Like those were like massive dips. Ever since we got into the 90s, have we fallen from like 90 down to 70? No. Have we fallen to 80? No. The biggest drop we have seen in the 90s is like 90, 99 down to 92. That was the biggest drop we have seen. It's been really stable, right? So that's why Bollinger Band is basically it's narrowing, and that's what's showing. Usually, when you go through this like very narrow gap, something big is going to happen. Like you either explode upwards or downwards. But the way the market is, it's looking like it's probably going to explode upwards in a big way, right? Right before the end of the year. That's what it looks like. Especially also when you compound that with all the Bitcoin that's leaving too, the supply shock that's happening. Look at this headline. Bitcoin is leaving exchanges in batches of 10 million or more. So every single time, you're seeing these transfers out of Coinbase or crypto.com or wherever. They're in huge chunks, right? So whales, ETFs, whoever, when they're buying by the